Looky what we have here, man. What did I find today? What did I find today? It would appear as though it's a Skylark. A 1972 Buick Skylark. Yeah. We're out here in Austin, Texas, man. And it's hot as balls out here, man. Woo, it's hot. Yeah. And we got ourselves, like I said, a 72 Buick Skylark. And what do you think this one has? It's got a goodie or two on it, man. Yeah, they scrapped this one with, one or two good parts. Yeah. Obviously, missing the headlight bezels and the hood buckled. That sucks, because otherwise that hood would look like be in nice shape. The grill has got some damage to it, as you can see there, and I think there. The bumper looks to be fairly straight, I think, right? Am I wrong? Maybe a little tweaked. This is damaged though. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's take a walk around. Yes. It's a 4-door. It's a more-door. It's a sedan. It's got the freaking, post there. So. And some people are like, yeah, that's where it belongs, in the junkyard, man. I tell you, man, there's quite a bit of people that would really like a 4-door nowadays, with the 2 doors getting pretty hard to find. 72. I think this may have been caused in the yard. Maybe, I'm not sure. She's got little dings and dents all the way around, I mean, how's this door? And she got a little rust there. Trim's missing there. Dent there. I think it's got a dent there. This hooded ornament there, or emblem. Ornament, I guess, right? This one seems pretty straight. Oh no, she got a little dent there. I can feel it. Might have a little dent there, maybe a little bit there. I think it's solid. Maybe the other one's savable too. How's that windshield? Yeah, that windshield's nice. I don't think I see a crack on it. The trim's got a lot of little dings and dents on it. This door looks fairly straight. That side mirror. Little ding there, right there. It might have been done by here in the yard. This trim on the back window's good. I think all the glass is good on this car. This trim looks good too. And so is this here. I don't think this was a vinyl top car, was it? Guess you'd have to run the codes on it, but it's solid, man. I don't feel any, or I don't see any, and I don't see any hail damage. This deck lid looks good too. Looks like she probably came from Jack Lewis Buick and Cadillac, Big Spring, Texas. I want that emblem, that dealer emblem. Looks like they took the Skylark emblem there. Let me back up. Man, look at all this crap. I'm gonna bust my ass here. Sorry about it. Ugh, shit. Damn way. Lower this down here. See if it'll stay there for a little bit. Come on, stay. Stay. I don't want to. Hopefully my phone doesn't overheat that quickly. This back bumper looks good, man. Yes, it does. Like I said, the deck lid looks good too. Let me go around the other way. Look in the back. I should look from this angle. Like I said, you'll see some little dings and dents on her. I wish she wasn't so damn close to this. Ugh, damn Cadillac. all beat up, man. They put it right behind it. Look at that. Can't get a good solid look at it. But I think that bumper is good. Heck yeah. So in here, seen worse. She's scaling there, you know, but I've seen a whole heck of a lot worse, man. Yeah, check out this channel, man. Check that out. Heck yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. Yeah. She had she's got the bags in the rear springs that lifted up a little. Let's take a look underneath. See, I'm gonna turn both wheels and you'll be able to, I think you can see it, right? Opposite, that means they're one wheel peel. Yeah. I'd say she's pretty solid. Check it out. She's got dual exhaust. Split there. But check out those floorboards, man. Look at that. Man, you northerners eat your hearts out. Look at that. Damn. Nah, I mean, you know, we get them down here. Some of them be rusted too, so, you know. Now look at that exhaust. What's up with that exhaust, man? Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Got ourselves headers on this thing. But what do we got in there? They're a little beat up though, I can see. Not too bad, but yeah. Is this trim? Dented right here. Yeah. Let's take a look inside. Moldy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Woo, man. They took the dash. It might have been in pristine condition, just moldy. How's the seat is not, outside of being dirty and moldy, man. It's not even ripped. I don't know about that other side, but yeah. There's the close. Ooh, nice and solid. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, man. Shoot. Heck yeah. Ooh, look at that mold. Ugh. Mexican blanket. Gotta like that. Headliner. Just moldy, dirty. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Tips too, man. ROL exhaust, made in the USA, man. Turn downs, 2.5 inch. They're brand new. Quickly go around the other way because I do not want my phone to overheat. And it's, oh man, it's hot. It is hot. Ugh. Whew. Look at that. Headrests, yeah, they look all right. Oh man, oh, hold on a second, guys. Oh. You know what happens when you get sweat in your eyes? Oh. AutoZone. It's brand new, man. It's brand new. Let's see how long ago they bought this. Oh, can we see it? Is it not going to be, is it going to let me see? Is it? Okay, here we go. They bought it. There's the date, 3/11/15. So they bought this, and what else did they buy? Filter, transmission fluid, and a filter. So who knows? That thing may have been running. Wonder how the what do you call it? The seatbelts all right. Yeah. What we got here? Xenon timing light, Centec. Isn't this has to be a freaking whatchamacallit, right? Isn't this a Harbor Freight crap? Oh, I'm sorry. Not Harbor Freight crap. Harbor Freight. Yeah, we don't want to piss off Harbor Freight boys. We don't. Screw it. Let's will the seat go back some? Let's see. It's stuck. Now it's stuck. Let's have a seat. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Check it out. Check out that mileage. I tell you, man, this gauge cluster doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. lighter. Or they're a smoker. I don't know. Oh, you got your, look at that. What's that? Sonomatic. I'm gonna say it's just AM. Be nice if it was FM, AM and FM. That would be nice. Yeah. Your lights, washer, wiper. Ooh, cruise control, man. This thing had cruise control, but no tilt. And I'm gonna assume this is a cheapie. I think it doesn't appear to be too old. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's a cheapie. Oh, look what we got here. It's old school sun visor here. I mean, mirror for your visor. Might take that. Get your beads. Yeah. Did I open this up already? There's nothing. Oh yeah, nothing in there. Oh, they were smokers. What am I talking about? Those freaking cigarettes are there. Yeah, there it is, man. There it is. Oh, did I even mention the Sun Pro? I'm not sure what this button's for. Got the little red light there. Not sure what that button's for. All right. Woo, this door closes good though. But, what we got here? It's about as much as you can see off of it. This one. Oh yeah, man. Heck yeah. And now for under the hood. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's like, okay. It's got the spring off. I guess where they buckled the hood there. Those hinges look good though. Okay, we got ourselves a 350 2-barrel. And they removed the radiator and the condenser. And it appears as though they said, screw it, we'll just use the Sawzall and chop it off. Chop off this radiator plate here, the cover. It says 350. And 1972. Yeah. So she appears to be all there. For the most part. AC car, yes, in Texas. I want that AC box. And these headers, can you see that? Let's see if I can get in there. Can you see, what does that say? I'm gonna say that says Doug's, man. Those are some expensive headers. New anyway, like 500 bucks. And my dumbass freaking hit this with my phone, and it cut the damn phone. It cut the recording off. Oh, now I gotta stitch these two together. Damn, that sucks, man. I just wanted one video. Anyways, this is incorrect. There's one thing I know is this evaporator is for a 73. Yeah, 73, I think, only A body. Yeah. Yep. The 72 was going to wrap around a little bit closer. That tube was going to come right here. You know, the POA valve is gone. Expansion valve is still there. Oh, that sucks. It's cracked. Damn it. Oh well. I would have taken it if it wouldn't have been cracked there. I would have. The other thing that sucks about this car, man, is, can you believe it? It's a 72. And look at that. It's freaking drums, man. Damn, that sucks. I so wanted it to be discs. Let me set this down real quick. I think I saw hubcaps for it. There we go. Okay. It's still recording. Am I still? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Got this thing all over the place here. Let's see, we got another one here. There you go. How's she look, huh? She look good? Yeah, there's another one. I think I only saw 3 though, right? Yeah, there's only 3. So yeah, man. Not much else I want under here. I don't think. Cruise control worth anything? I might get those headers though, man. I don't know what else. There it is. There it is. Oh, let's get that. Let's get that. You see it? You see the tag there? I don't know if you can get the VIN there too. You can get the VIN. Maybe. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's gonna do her, man. That is gonna do her. Lower this back down. Put this. Close that hood. She looks good, like right at this angle, doesn't she? Yeah. Well, probably gonna take the headers, I think, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. She's backlit on this side. Like I said, anybody who's in the Austin, maybe even as far as San Antonio, Waco area, hey man, look. You know, she's still here. Not much will be taken off of her. You know. Alright, man. I'm out.